Interreg 5A funded Source to Tap project has been restoring a formerly afforested site in Tullychurry Forest near the Petticoat Plateau back to blanket bog. When peatland is not in an intact state, it can erode, releasing carbon into the atmosphere and also impacting water quality, making drinking water treatment more challenging and costly. Source to Tap trialled an innovative restoration technique called cell bunding to re-wet the peat and encourage peat-forming vegetation such as sphagnum moss to recolonise. Cell bunding is the creation of low peat walls which create watertight cells, holding water and helping to raise the water table in the peat. Restoration using peat dams was also trialled on an adjacent area of the site where forestry drains and brash mats were blocked at 12-metre intervals. In a third area, peat dams were installed to block 3 drains at 12-metre intervals along their length, as well as a cell bund wall built to block drains and brash mats where they crossed the boundary of the area. Changes in water table levels in each area were compared each month. Even after a few months, the site started to retain water and sphagnum started to recolonise. Already, the learning from this site has been used at another restoration site nearby to help reduce runoff and improve water quality on an area of peatland next to a drinking water reservoir.